Hello, new friend. I'm Mo. What's your name?
Developing creativity and imagination is so critical to learning.
They're taking something tangible, like a board and a marker, and then all of a sudden, whatever image they've created is automatically on the screen seconds later.
Could you draw me a magic wand? Draw it down there, then tap here when it's ready.
And I think for kids, and really for adults that are watching, it's almost a sense of wonder.
It amazes me that the engineers at Osmo have found a way to bring to life the things that my kids draw on a pad in front of them, that it shows up on the screen and then is actually used by this little character. I love watching them laugh, like just naturally create something and then be entertained by the thing they created and not just be a spectator, but be engaged.
So now it's time for the really big magic.
Oh no.
Sit back and prepare yourself for the grand finale.
In this day and age, I think kids are subjected to so much technology, and a lot of technology is them looking at a screen and pointing and clicking on things. And so I think it's kind of neat to have a piece of technology that not only gets them thinking and creating things, but also make that imagination kind of come to life by drawing it and then seeing it on the screen.
Ta-da! What a show! You were great! I'll come up with new tricks for our next show. See you soon!